Hi guys, so I want to show you very quickly how to split your screen so that you can see two different tabs at the same time, or two different screens at the same time. The way I'm going to show you should work on every single computer out there. There is a second way, but I'm not sure it's going to work for everyone. So the way that you do that is very simple. Say that the first day you are on Canvas and you need to be on Teams. So you're going to have your Canvas open. It's probably going to be on your app. And then you're also going to have Teams either as an app like I do down here, or somewhere on your start menu, or maybe you already have it in a different tab. Okay, so the way that you will split your screen is you go over here to the side where you would usually X out or minimize, and you click on the box, restore down. When you click on that, it's going to create a smaller shape. Now it may not be exactly how mine is down the middle. I've already preset mine to be that way. But if it's, say, down here or much bigger, you just take your browser and you put it in the corner, and this will allow you to drag it where you think is, all right, halfway down the middle. Okay, so now say your Teams or anything else that you want to have open, you click on that and say that it is full screen. You would click over here again and take your mouse to the corner and again adjust it. Okay, now you could be on the left hand side in a live meeting, and you can be in your course on the right hand side and checking out anything that you might have to do, like assignments in modules. Now another way to do this, and I'm not sure if it will work for everyone, but you can click on the tab that you want to put in half your screen, and without letting go of the mouse, you're going to drag it down using your other finger, and then you're going to push it over to the side, not all the way to the top because then it'll just come back in, but with leaving a little space at the top, you're going to drag it over to the side, and you're going to see like a transparent box appear. And when your mouse hits the very edge, you're going to let go, and it's going to pre-format right down the middle. Now all your other apps will appear on the right hand side or on whatever side, the other opposite side of the one you dragged, and you're going to click on the app that you want to see on the other side, and boom, there it goes. Now again, you have it down the middle without you having to adjust it too much. It's definitely a lot simpler, but I'm not sure if it's going to work for everyone. So you have both ways to figure it out. I hope that helps you guys out. We're definitely going to be using a split screen every single day, so I would definitely get comfortable with using that. That is it for now, guys. Thank you so much. I hope it helps.